On page 2, I will introduce prime numbers and prime factors. Okay, so prime numbers, I had taught it in chapter 0, but just a little bit. Okay, what is the meaning of prime number? 中文係質數。Okay, so the definition for prime number is that, okay, that number is natural number. It only has one and itself as factor. So what is factor? For example, 12, it can be equal to 1 times 12. It can be equals to 2 times 6. It can be equal to 3 times 4. Okay, so all this one, we say that is factor of 12. 因數 okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12 are factors of 12. Okay, 係12嘅因數。Then, if that number, okay, only can be split it as 1 times itself, that is called prime number. So, 12 is not a prime number. Okay, so what is the prime number? The first prime number is 2. Because 2 only can expressed as 1 times 2 only, 1 times itself only, no other factors times it together. Okay, so it is 2 is prime number. Okay, 2 is prime number. So if that natural number, okay, has factors other than 1 and itself, called composite number, 合成數。Okay, so 12 is composite number. Understand? So pay attention to that. 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. 一係唔屬於質數或者係合成數嘅。Okay, because 1, it equals to 1 times 1. Okay, not 1 times, because you didn't identify either 1 or itself. So 1 didn't count as prime number. So we didn't count it as composite number as well. Okay, so let's try to do example 3. You need to circle all the prime numbers, okay, in the table below. Okay, so the first 4 prime number is given. It is 2, 3, 5, and 7. Okay, so the next one, you can check that. For example, 8 is equals to 1 times 8 or 2 times 4, so no. Okay, 9 can be equals to 3 times 3, so no. 10 can be equals to 2 times 5, so no. So the next one is 11. Okay, so 11 only can be 1 times 11, no other factors. Okay, so prime number, next one. So the next one is 13. So you can do it. Maybe I'll give you some time to think about it. So maybe give you 10 seconds to check. Then check the answer with me. Okay, here are the prime numbers between 1 and 100. Okay, I circle it so you can check your answer. Okay, for example 4, the question asks you to write down all the factors and prime factors of each of the following. So I can do it in this way. Write down the factors. 15 can be equal to 1 times 15, 3 times 5, no more. Yes, no more. Then among all the factors, okay, if it is prime number, that is called prime factor. So the prime factor is 3 and 5. Okay. Then for B, because 17 is prime numbers, so the factors only 1 and 17. So the prime factor, so remember 1 is not a prime number, so the prime factor is only 17. Okay. For 60, it got many factors. So 1 and 60, maybe I write it separately. 2 and 30, 3 and 20, 4 and 9, 6. Oh, you still have the 5. Okay, I missed the 5. 4 and 9, you still have the, okay, oh, undo. 4 and 9. Okay, maybe the 9 I write it here. 4 and 9, and then 5 and 12. Yeah, 4 is not 9. Oh, I misunderstood. 4 is what I'm doing. 4 is 15. 5 is 12. I still have the 6 and 10. Okay, so that is all the factors. So choose the prime number. That is prime factors. Choose the prime number. So the prime factor is 2, 3, 5. 2, 3, 5. Okay, no more. 2, 3, 5. Okay, that's all.